to change their lives.
In addition to those $1,400 stimulus payments, the American Rescue Plan provides billions to fund vaccination centers in underserved communities.
We're going to get 100 million shots in people's arms within the first 60 days of my administration.
But at a vaccination site just 4 blocks from where the president spoke, officials say demand is outpacing supply.
We can't give you a vaccine if we don't have a vaccine to give.
There's also reluctance among some in the African American community to take the vaccine, a growing concern for the administration. Pastor Aaron Donnelly told us he has an easy answer for vaccine skeptics in his congregation.
I tell people, do you want to cough or you want to cough in? Side effects don't mean nothing if you're dead.